Hi friends, welcome to Abhey, a YouTube testing tutorial channel. Let us gain knowledge on testing concepts. Please subscribe to the channel. Hi friends, today let us look into the topic of test planning. Friends, if you did not watch the previous video regarding the test planning, please watch the video. The video links are available in the iCard section. Friends, today we are going to look into the fourth attribute of test planning. The fourth attribute is approach. Generally, for a tester, we have to give KT to the test device or the project or the application in which he is going to work. We have to clearly mention what to test and how to test. To give KT to the tester or the new joinee, we follow three approaches. That is test cases or test scenario or a flowchart. Test scenario is nothing but a test condition which was developed based on the requirement. This test case consists of test case ID, the test objective, which is nothing but the test scenario. The test condition is maintained in the test cases as a test objective, and then steps to be executed, precondition, and expected results. And the third one is flowchart. Especially this is used for a web-based application. It clearly mentioned the navigation path and what navigation path to be followed for test one condition. So these three approaches are there to give KT to the testers. So we have to clearly mention what approach we are following for the project. Generally, flowchart we will follow for web application, and test scenario for the small projects. For the complex projects we follow test cases. Friends, the fifth attribute is assumptions. At the starting of the project, we make some assumptions that human resources will be provided to us by the HR department. Human resources means developers and testers. As STLC deals with the testing, we assume the testers are sufficient in number to test all the modules we have. And also, we assume that KT will be provided by the developers and the client and the project management. And also, we hope documentation will be provided like requirements specification document from the client and from the business analyst. This type of option we used to maintain at the starting of the project. Friends, the sixth attribute is risk. If our assumption fails, it is called as a risk. If the human resources, like the testers, kept resignation and went away, leave the company, whatever the module assigned to the particular tester will be on hold. This is a risk or a failure of assumptions. And if you did not receive the requirement specification document about a particular model from the client or from the project management, then it is a risk. This will happen especially if you're dealing with the North Korean or South Korean companies. And also, if you did not receive KT from the developers, then it is a risk. Friends, to know the remaining 9 attributes, please subscribe to channel to get notifications. Friends, please click on subscribe button to support our channel Abhey. And also, please click on like button and share this video to your friends who are eager to gain knowledge on testing concepts. Friends, I heartfully thank you for your valuable support to our Abhey, a YouTube testing tutorial channel. I hope it will continue forever.